Step off the bike.
Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right here at the recycling center. Can I help you?
That's because it looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
Oh, no.
You need a bike camera. You need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, bro, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You guys can come with me?
Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put
Yes,
your
sir.
hands on your back.
Fuck! Shit!
He's shooting at us.
Shots fired, officer needs help.
George 22 code 6 on 1. 39 place in Western. Hey, you need a bike camera. You need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, for real, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You
Step
guys
off
can
the
come
bike,
with me?
please. Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put your
Yes,
hands
sir.
on your back. He's gonna talk to you, okay? I got it. George. Oh, shit. Shots fired. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Suspect's running southbound. He's shooting at us. Hey!
Officer Newcastle 39, Space and Western, shots fired in here. Unit coming on Southwest Frequency.
I'm gonna fucking shoot you! I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Male Hispanic running southbound. Hey, right here. I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude!
I got it.
Oh, God! Get your hands out! Oh, God!
Investigators recovered the loaded 9mm semi-automatic pistol Sepulveda was armed with at scene and booked it as evidence.